GR housing, and yeah, this is pretty reserved housing because I think this was the package that I last received. The time that I tried to record this pre-recorded emoji, so it was a package for my favorite e-commerce asset as well, and it's pretty cheap because I only tried bought at the exact span on the free shipping, which is only $5. It's reasonably. This week I'm also trying to call into those physical store of this favorite e-commerce directly to watch many things, many unnecessary things, because I only try to buy cables for the mechanical keyboard that I have successfully sold previously. So it was pretty cheap mechanical keyboard that I basically cannot find right now, but yeah, eventually still sell it anyway because I'm actually want to decrease my mechanical keyboard collection. Even though I basically need to spend around $1 buying the USB-C cables, because yeah, for some reason the housing of the keyboard is pretty narrow, so that's the reason why only USB-C from a phone that was compatible with those keyboards. That's really why. So the things that I bought is USB-C to HDMI and some random Lego. So that's all.